All right, I just want to give you a quick update on the situation at the moment. So, Trump wants to acquire Greenland. He's saying it's for national security reasons, and whoever opposes the U.S. is going to get slapped on a 10% tariff starting February 1st on all the above mentioned countries: Denmark, Norway, Sweden, France, Germany, UK, Netherlands, and Finland. So the markets did not like this. They reacted negatively to this, and I'll show you in a little bit right now. But if this doesn't get resolved, Trump is saying he's going to impose 25% tariffs on starting June 1st. So starting February 1st, there's going to be 10% tariffs on all these countries. And if deals don't get resolved, if there's no deal, if there's no agreements, starting June of this year, it's going to become 25%. Okay, so let's look at S&P 500 futures. As you can see right here. So it closed at around this level right here. And yesterday, Sunday, this is where it opened to the downside. So is this a start to a market crash? Because we're seeing some similarities with 10% these tariffs right now, and of the tariffs from last year on Liberation Day on April 2nd, which caused the market to crash, or not necessarily crash, but crash about 20% or so, maybe 35%. I don't remember, but essentially that happened. That's when I started investing. Which is funny because that's when the bottom happened. But the real question is this going to be another taco situation where Trump says something and then he sees the market crashing and then he backs down on the tariffs? We don't know, okay? I don't know. It could be that this does crash the market, or is this just the beginning? It could be just a little pullback, slight pullback, and it's maybe makes for a dip buying opportunity, but we'll just have to see. So what am I looking for tomorrow? I'm looking at Exxon to the upside. It's getting a little bit of a breakout right here. It did break through 130, but it pulled back a little bit on Wednesday. So I do have some calls on Exxon, which I'm up about 250%. And if it does pull back, I think I'll sell for profit, but that's the situation on that. SPY, I think it's safe to say that it's gonna open to the downside. So just be ready to adapt to that. If maybe some SPY puts would be the play tomorrow, but we'll see. And okay, so we're seeing all these geopolitical tensions going on right now. And what happens when there's geopolitical tensions, when there's uncertainty? Where do traders go? They buy gold and silver. So as you can see, silver made all-time highs. It actually reached $95 today. Today, $95, and it's starting to pull back a little bit, but I don't see it going down anytime soon, unless COMEX raises margins again, which is likely in the coming days. But gold is almost at 4,700, which is crazy to see, like making all-time highs. We see precious metals all-time highs right now. And I think they're going to continue to go higher, if I'm being honest with you. So that's what I'm looking at for tomorrow. This might be another crash, might not be, but just be prepared. Got to have cash on hand for those dip buying opportunities, okay? So, all right, that's all I got for you. So I'll see you in the next video.